Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear view mirror Nissan Rogue. Start by clearing the windshield area and gathering a Torx T20, flathead pry tool, adhesive kit, and rubbing alcohol. Remove the trim cover, undo the mounting screw, and slide the mirror out of the bracket. Clean the mounting pad thoroughly with alcohol until residue is gone. Follow the adhesive kit instructions for bonding time and clamp or tape the new mirror securely while it cures. Begin removal by tilting the mirror to expose the Torx T20 screw and remove it carefully. Gently pry off the plastic trim pieces without forcing them to avoid breakage. Once the screw is out, support the mirror and slide it upward off the button-style mount while keeping a hand on the glass. Clean any remaining adhesive from the windshield area and inspect the metal button for damage before preparing the surface for the new mirror. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple car repairs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Rogue smelling great after a dusty install and to cover any lingering adhesive odors. I link the product and a few deal options in the description so you can grab one easily. And now let's get back to the video. Apply primer to the windshield and the new mirror button per adhesive kit instructions, then apply adhesive to the mirror pad. Press the button mount firmly to the windshield at the correct vertical position for your seating height and hold for recommended bonding time. Use tape or a wedge to keep the mount stable while curing. After full cure, slide the mirror arm onto the button, tighten the Torx screw, reattach trim, and test for stability and correct sightline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.